Okay, add by, or simplify by adding or subtracting like terms. Okay, x minus 1/3, x minus 1/9, x minus 1/18, x. These are all like terms because they all have x in them. And that's the only variable part in each of them, so we can combine them. The first one has a 1. So this is really saying what is 1 minus 1/3 minus 1/9 minus 1/18. And that's going to be multiplying x. It's the same thing. All we have to do is just simplify this thing. You can see that 18 is the largest denominator. I'm going to have to get everything in terms of 18. I'm going to rewrite 1 as 1 over 1. And now I multiply 9 by 2 over 2, 1/3 by 6 over 6, and 1 over 1 by 18 over 18. That gives me 18 over 18 minus 6 over 18 minus 2 over 18 minus 1 over 18. And we have common denominators, so we can finally subtract these all together. 18 minus 6 is 12. That's 18 minus 6 is 12. And then minus 2 is 10. And then minus 1 is 9. So we have 9/18 x. 9/18 can be reduced by 9. And that gives us 1 over 2 x. And this is 1 over 2 times x. X is not in the denominator. It's actually in the numerator, but it's 1 over 2 times x. That's correct. Same process. Add or we'll combine like terms, right? We have x squared plus x squared y plus 9x squared plus 2x. We have x squared here. This is not the same thing as x squared because the variable is now x squared times y. And the red ones do not have a y in them. The green has only a single x, not x squared. So the only like terms are the red. This is going to be 1x squared plus 9x squared gives us 10x squared. And then the blue and the green. That's the best we can do there. X squared plus x squared y plus 2x. And that's correct. Simplify by removing parentheses and, if possible, combine like terms. You always combine like terms if possible. It just makes the problem easier for you to work with. So that should be your natural desire to do that. So the first thing I can do here, let me get a little bit of space, is I'm going to distribute this -5. I'm distributing both the negative and the 5 into there. So we have 9m still, and then -5 times -2m. Negative times negative is positive. 5 times 2 is 10, and we still have m there. Then -5 times +9, negative times positive is negative, and 5 times 9 is 45. And now you see we have two like terms, the 45, the -45 there in the blue, that has no variable part, so it cannot be combined with the 9m or 10m. 9m plus 10m is 19m. 9 plus 10 is 19. So 19m minus 45, that's much easier to work with than this 9m minus 5 times the quantity -2m plus 9. This 19m minus 45 is much simpler. So that's why we want to always simplify it down and combine like terms. And that's correct.